Here we have an equation and it has an inverse trig function in it. The first thing I want to do then is isolate the inverse trig function. So as I'm looking here, I want to get this by itself. So first step to do that would be to subtract pi from both sides and then to divide both sides by 2. Now that I have that by itself, let's rewrite what I have. Inverse sine of 5x plus 1 equals negative pi over 2. All right, now that I have the inverse sine by itself, I'm going to undo it by taking the sine of that side. I need to do it to both sides, so I'm taking the sine of both sides. And what that does is it undoes the inverse sine, and it leaves me with 5x plus 1 equals the sine of negative pi halves. Well, that means 5x plus 1 equals, we know the sine of negative pi halves because negative pi halves is just right here, and the y value there is negative 1. All right, so then the only thing I have left to do is now it's an algebraic equation and I just need to solve. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides and have 5x equal negative 2 and then divide both sides by 5. So my answer is x equals negative 2/5.